We recommend of Prime Day 2020 Sovol SV01 3D printer. When is Prime Day 2020? Prime Day is an annual event just for Prime members on October. This year assigned 13 to October 14, 2020, delivering incredible select on products from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your gift list during Prime Day 2020. Happy everyone on Prime Day 2020. You can find wanted. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Sovol SV01 3D printer, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Sovol 3D printer devote to create new 3D world. Best direct drive extruder bring you perfect printing experience. Resume printing and filament detector, thermal runaway protection, large hand twist gear, Meanwell power and cable management, one-piece structure, full metal frame, which make you prior to most other 3D printer player. Sovol 3D is a brand new brand of 3D printer of Chinese origin. SV01 is our first 3D printer. During the design and production stages of the SV01, our engineers kept user experience and beginner skill level at the forefront when creating this machine. Wide application for school and industry. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.